Heavy Equipment Safety Tips Part 2. OSHA, in collaboration with state and local partners, shifted its focus from enforcement-based safety to educational support. American worker fatalities have decreased from 38 per day in 1970 to 14 per day in 2016, thanks to the combined efforts of government regulators and private entities like as companies, unions, and safety experts. Clearly, heavy equipment safety was a priority for everyone in the construction sector. They also resolved to act and improve working conditions on building sites. Workers were educated and given thorough safety instructions as part of this. One of the most significant goals was to remove, mitigate, and lessen hazards for people who work with heavy machinery. Risks of working with heavy equipment. While falls and electrocutions are the most common construction site injuries, being struck by objects and caught between mechanical components and materials is more common in heavy machine operations than in typical site conditions. Mitigating potentially unsafe conditions and making all personnel aware of their status are vital to preventing or minimizing equipment-related injuries. Workers' attention and knowledge of their job site surroundings are referred to as situational awareness. For defining and recognizing job site dangers, there are three main concepts to follow. It is crucial that all workers are aware of the following hazard categories. Number 1. Mechanical dangers. There are moving parts in all heavy construction equipment. The threat comes from the energy stored in machinery parts and the ability to release it. Most machines are relatively stable and safe when not in use. They have great power and the ability to cause serious damage while they're operational. When working around equipment, keep an eye out for moving parts that could cause injury. Machinery and equipment that can release debris and hit someone can also be hazardous. Rotating shafts, colliding surfaces, scissor or shear action, sharp edges, and detachable connections are all common mechanical risks. Entanglement, crushing, severing, cutting, and puncturing are all mechanical risks, as are slips and falls when dodging moving components. Number 2. Hazards that aren't mechanical. Components in motion are not the only source of heavy equipment risks. Almost every machine has a reserve of energy that is waiting to be released. Gases or fluids under pressure, electrical charges, and hot surfaces are all examples. For more information, call 214-773-0207 or visit cellularconstructionequipment.com.